working on yourself, and we put certain guardrails in to really get rid of the distractions of life and those boundaries that create freedom. I think it allows people to show up in a deeper and better way.
Let's get in a car, let's drive like we're far. We'll fly like stars. Supernova. We'll go with the wind.
There's something about doing fitness things with other people where you're getting sweaty, it's hard, you're cheering each other on, and it just creates a different dynamic with those people. And so I was really looking to get out of this, again, that camaraderie, that community that I think can only be forged through fitness-related activities and doing hard things together.
It's times where everyone's putting their phone away, and you really have these connection times that you probably haven't had since we're teenagers. You get to meet these amazing people, and it just gives you a lot more appreciation for people and the human element that we sometimes miss very often. And
being able to listen to the vulnerability from the others in a group helped me feel like I belonged more. And I think that's something important and we all need.